welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be doing a spring closet makeover. I'm going to be reorganizing and building a new pink vanity, and I can't wait to show you how it all turns out. And I just happen to love spring. I was born the day after the first day of spring, and it is just such a beautiful time to watch everything come to life after a long winter. Spring is my favorite time for gardening and getting everything ready outdoors, and I will be doing a lot of that in an upcoming video, but I haven't got around to that just quite yet. I am going to be taking my Easter decor down and kind of just toning down everything for a simple spring look. And speaking of spring looks, I want to take a moment to talk about today's sponsor, Teddy Blake. Teddy Blake is a luxury handbag designer that handcrafts their bags in Italy with 100% Italian resources and premium Italian leather. I'm really excited for a new spring handbag, so let's open it up and check it out. First, it comes in this gorgeous box. Love that. Open it up together and unbox this beautiful handbag. So I'm going to unwrap it. It's wrapped up really nice. And look how adorable it looks. I already love the shape and size of it, and I haven't even opened it yet. It's still in the cute little dust bag. So I'm gonna set this box down. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this bag is. Oh my goodness, this is perfect for spring and summer. I am so in love with this bag. This is the 9-inch Ava. Let's just take a moment to take it all in. This is how gorgeous she looks right out of the package. So what I really loved about this bag, first of all, is the way that it closes like this and opens. Look at that. You just slide these little things in here. Super easy. Oh my gosh, I love that. This is such a classy, elegant, chic bag, and it opens up like this. Inside, we've got our hardware, we got our strap, and there's a little lock and key that hangs from it, which is another aspect that I really loved. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is premium leather. This is what I love about this handbag. If you're doing a little chic look, you can just carry it by this handle, which I will be doing a lot. But also I love that it has this longer shoulder strap so that you can carry it on your shoulder or crossbody. And then we've got this cute little key and lock. Okay, there it is. I also love the zipper. A little zipper pouch if you want to like slip your card or something in there for easy access. And I think it's just really pretty detail on the back of the bag. Now, in addition to the exterior pocket, we open her up, and there is also 2 pockets on the inside. We have one zippered pocket, which is a perfect size pocket. And then we have another little just open pocket you can put things in, and then the rest of the bag is open, and she is pretty roomy. For example, this is my iPhone, and it is the Max, the big one, and fits in there perfectly. Detail on this bag is unbelievable. I love that it even stamped Teddy Blake. Also, this bag has 4 feet on it. This is Stampato leather, soft pebbled calfskin leather with matching trim, and it has real suede interior with the gold toned hardware. I just love gold tones. I love all my jewelry to be gold tones, so I think gold is really beautiful on a handbag. Handbags are a great investment because I will get a handbag and I will carry it for years and years and years. I am very loyal to my handbags, especially when you get premium quality leather. Teddy Blake, you get the luxury you deserve without the premium price tag. Teddy Blake cuts costly marketing and retail markups so that you get luxurious handbags for 70 to 90% less than other high-end brands. That is why I love Teddy Blake. They believe in fair pricing. They have luxury premium leather handbags starting at $279 compared to over $1,500 to other high-end brands. Actually, if you notice right back there, I have another Teddy Blake handbag that I love. I'm so excited to add another beauty to the Teddy Blake family. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sponsoring this video. To shop these gorgeous luxury handbags, check out the link down below in my description box. There's a code down there, so take a look so you can save on a luxurious handbag today. Again, thank you so much, Teddy Blake. Let's get into today's video. All right, let's get started on this closet makeover. I'm hauling out this old vanity to make way for my new pink vanity. I'm so excited to refresh this space. I actually enjoy spending time in here. It's like my little office because I can look right at it from my editing desk. I got this new pink vanity for my birthday and it is so adorable. I am in love with it. As you can see, it came with a lot of parts and pieces and I had to put it together. It was actually not that bad though. I put it together with the help of my husband in one evening and it turned out absolutely amazing. Really great quality. If you are looking for a vanity, I will link it down below in the description box. Finally got everything built and this is how it's looking. So cute. It fits perfect in this little space and I have a little bit of room there. It's kind of blocking these cubbies, but I think I'm just going to take the makeup stuff out and maybe put out of season shoes there. I've got to redo all of these anyway, and now that I have all these drawers, I should have extra room for all of that stuff. Also, I think I'm just going to leave that other light bar up there. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but it is super bright and I'm loving the lighting. And then I've got my neon light up there. So now I'm just going to get this closet reorganized and then I'm going to organize my vanity. Well, I might even do that first, but we're just going to do all the organization stuff today now that this is built and out of the way. Also, I'm going to put my white chair back in here because this stool is not going to be comfortable, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's got this like faux leather type material on it, but I haven't brought my chair in here because I just want to keep it out of the way while I'm organizing. But we're just going to get to organizing now. Okay, I had to film this video over the course of a few days because, as you know, if you've ever done a closet clean out reorganization, it is a lot of work. Now this was just a clean out and reorganization. I did not declutter. So I haven't got rid of anything just yet. I'm not really in the mood to do that right now. So I'm just reorganizing all of the things that I have. I like everything to be categorized by color, so they can't always be categorized by season, but I do my best to keep it within season of each color. I'm complicated, I know. Everything from here are like sweaters and coats that I'm not going to be wearing. The ones that I'm going to wear in the summer will be right here, and then this big pink jacket just has to be connected to this pink section. I don't want to put it over here with the pink stuff. It's just too big. I don't mind it right here. Plus, all this stuff goes all the way back, and they're more like jackets and like fun. I have a Grinch pajama onesie back there, just weird stuff. So this coat like acts as like a wall. And then I hung up my jackets and stuff that I can wear during the summer, like a corduroy one. This trench coat, just stuff like that. My cozy sweaters I wear around the house. And then in the middle I've got like some t-shirts and like dresses and stuff, but I know it's still kind of confusing the way that it's laid out, but I still want everything color coordinated, and this is the best that I know. So I know that things that I'm grabbing for this season are right here, and then things that are for cooler weather is right there. And then I have a few more things to hang up. Okay, I didn't like how off balance that was looking, so I kept the pink coat right there and then just moved my other summer jackets and stuff, like denim jackets, over to where they just butted up with the sweaters. That way all the long sleeves kind of go. I don't have a lot of shorter sleeves. I need more summery clothes, spring clothes, but they're also smaller and don't take up as much room, so there's quite a bit packed in there. So I think it looks better like that. I made a few changes to freshen it up. I changed the side of the dresser that all of my activewear was on with the side that my sleepwear was on. I think it just works out better, switched around, and it's just like a fresh kind of feel in there when you change things up and get everything organized. If you're like me, color coordinated. It's always that last pile at the end of just random stuff that takes forever to put away. Reorganized all of my denim and pants and my shorts that were at the top where I could barely reach them. I brought down since I will be reaching for them more often now that the weather is warming up. I ordered these hat organizers from Amazon and I love how they're keeping my hats organized. They were a big mess and falling out, so I will link that below in the description box, along with this cute headband holder that I use for all of my Disney ears. When things are beautiful and organized, it just brings such harmony into my life. I can't even express how much I love it. So I'm getting everything beautified and organized on my vanity. I got these liners so that it would protect the bottoms of the drawers, and I didn't want them to stand out, so I got a pink. And then I have pink organizers from Amazon so that everything would kind of just blend in seamlessly, and I filled it up with all of my stuff and it keeps everything so organized. I like knowing that every little thing has a place, so when it's time for cleanup it is super easy because I know where everything goes. So good to have everything in my closet organized and refreshed. I absolutely love my new vanity. It made such a huge difference in this space and it is so pretty. Don't forget to check the links in the description box down below and you can find all of the stuff I used in my closet makeover, including the vanity and my beautiful new handbag from Teddy Blake. And there's my husband's hidden little space. I didn't reorganize that part. He also has 2 cubbies in here and another closet and a big dresser outside of this closet. So I'm not hogging all of the space. Okay, maybe just a little. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my closet and vanity organization and makeover. Let me know if you are refreshing or reorganizing any of your spaces in your home for spring. I have a lot more spring content coming up, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on a video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!